Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your workspace name on Asana. Once you're in Asana, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on Admin Console. From here, guys, you want to click on where it says Settings on the left hand side. And here you'll find Workspace Name. Click on that, and here you can change the name of your workspace. So let's say I don't want this to say my workspace, but I want it to say, for example, Drew Workspace. I can go ahead and type that in. So click space and then click on Save Changes. That's gonna go ahead and change the name of the workspace for me. If I go back to Asana here and do like a quick refresh on my home page right here, guys, you will see that my workspace name is changed. You'll see it in a moment here. And if you look to the left hand side here, you can see it says Drew Workspace. If I click on the top, you will see it says Drew Workspace as well. And that's how you rename your workspace on Asana.